Hey there, it's Damon Clark from PI Hacks. So I've noticed I've not been on for a while because of summer vacation and kids being off school and all that kind of stuff. So I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update on what's been going on at PI, particularly in the software, and give you a kind of top 6 update situation. So firstly at number 6, I can't use my hands, 6. Excuse me, how rude of me. This is Loki. He's my social media assistant. So at number 6, we've had Numerical fit rating display changes. So if you remember the old software, you'd have a 1 to 10 job fit for candidates and for job target. And when they moved to the new software, they changed this to a star system, 5 stars. And people didn't like that. And they actually voted on their feature upvote software, which is a great little website where you can recommend changes. I'll put the link in the description. Anyway, PI listened and made those changes, and they've gone back to the 1 to 10 job fit score. So great news. Also, there's been a lot of improved table functionality. I've not had chance to explore too much, but both in the administration side and the hire side, you'll notice a lot better categorization and filters and all that kind of stuff. So check that out. Also, we have at number 3, I'm going down in reverse order to my number 1. And number 1 is a real big one, so stay tuned. So number 3, we've got automated assessment reminders, which is a nice new function, so we can actually do reminders, which is useful. Also, we can actually, another feature at number 3, number 2, I think I've marked this up, but let's just say 3. We've got personalized candidate messaging. So in those invitations, we can now edit the message in the invitations, which is really awesome. So I'll put that at number 3. I think I missed number 5. But anyway, number 2, I've got AI-powered job ad builder. So in the new software, they had a really cool feature where you could post your job ad and it would recommend some changes to the language to attract the behavior you're trying to attract. So if you're trying to attract mavericks, you probably don't want stuff on detail in there. So it would recommend changing that. But they've replaced that with a total new AI-powered job ad builder. So you press a button and it's going to build your job ad. So that is awesome. But coming in at my number 1 is the introduction of Obi. So Obi's PI's embedded AI assistant, and it is absolutely awesome. And I think not only a game changer for PI, but a game changer for the whole industry. So now you can, instead of going to a static behavioral reports or coaching guides. 1 second, my cat's about to destroy my set. So instead of going to a static tools, you can just ask AI. So if you're onboarding someone, or you've got 2 employees who are having some conflict, or you've got a specific interview question, you can actually ask the AI assistant, and it will take all that amazing data within AI and give you contextual, real-time, dynamic playbooks. It is an absolute game changer for the whole industry, and I'm so excited. I've got another video coming on it. It's already in PI software. If you've got PI, dig in there, test it out. It's a total game changer. So that's it. So I just wanted to give you my kind of top 6 updates. Hope that was useful, and I've got some more videos coming soon, particularly around the AI tool, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot.